How are political values defined in political science? In today's fast-paced political climate, understanding political values has never been more important. With recent events shaping our world, many are asking, how are political values defined in political science? Political values are the core beliefs that guide how individuals and groups behave politically. They influence decision-making and policy preferences, impacting everything from local governance to international relations. These values shape our understanding of justice, freedom, equality, and authority. They help us evaluate political actions and institutions from an ethical viewpoint. Recently, discussions around political values have surged as people seek to understand the moral implications of policy decisions. Political values act as normative standards that determine what is seen as right or wrong in public life. They reflected shared ideas about the common good and individual rights. These values help define the boundaries of political authority and influence the goals of governance. Political science studies these values by looking at how they appear in various ideologies, such as liberalism, conservatism, and socialism. Each ideology carries its own set of political values that affect how societies function. For instance, values like equity and justice drive policies aimed at reducing social inequalities, while values like liberty and order influence regulations that balance individual freedoms with societal needs. Political values are not fixed. They change as society evolves. They are often contested among different political factions, reflecting the dynamic nature of political discourse. Understanding these values involves examining their ethical foundations and how they shape behavior and governance. Recent developments, such as debates over social justice and government accountability, highlight the relevance of political values today. As citizens engage with these issues, they are prompted to reflect on their own beliefs and the values that guide their political choices. In essence, political values in political science are the ethical principles that inform political behavior and policy. They bridge the gap between moral philosophy and practical governance, helping us understand the organization of societies around shared or conflicting ideals.